Hi friends, today we are going to learn about how to make a wire straight. So we need the Adams plier, universal plier and the cutter and 19 gauge wire. So we are just going to cut it to the desired length with the help of the cutter. So whenever we need the desired length, we need to take some extra length so that we can cut it at the end to make the complete straight wire. For example, if we need 10 centimeters of length, then we need to take 12 centimeters so that we can cut it at the later stages. So once we cut it, then we need to hold it with the help of the Adams plier over here. As you can see over here at the extreme end, one end you can choose whichever you want to like, and then with the help of the thumb pressure and rolling over the index finger, you can just straighten it up approximately based on your valuation how you can straighten it up, as we can see over here. So once you do the straightening with the help of thumb and index finger, now you can cut the ends of the wire. Like whatever excess you have taken with the measurement, you can cut that excess from both the ends. So this will help you make the wire more straight. So now you can see that the wire is now more straight as compared to the previous segment that we didn't cut. So after straightening, again you will need to analyze it with the help of your thumb and index finger and begin with your assumption. Looking at the tip from one end to the end of the plier, you can see that wherever there are a little bit bends, you can just do that much of pressure and you can completely straighten it up like this. And the third step is that once you have straightened it up, it should roll on a piece of flat table, paper, or the final setting on the glass slab. So what you have to see on the glass slab is that all the ends are touching. So over here the ends are not touching, only the middle segment is touching. So we can just use it, and there should be rolling, and it should be smooth rolling from one end to other end. So rolling is okay, but the wire is still not straight, so we need to just hold it from middle like this now, and again do the straightening looking at the assumption from where the bends are there, so you can straighten it up from that ends. So now you can see on the glass slab that the wire is completely adapted to the plane surface of the glass slab, and it should roll in a uniform flow. As we can see over here that the rolling is perfect. It is rolling in one go from one end to other end. So the wire is now completely straight, and you can further analyze it based on your assumption. So these are the steps that will help you to straighten up the wire. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.